Hello students, this is Mr. Lai speaking, and we are now in the first lesson of the listening part of the self-direct learning program of English language. And you should be watching these lessons on Wednesday. So what do we do on this date in this listening lesson? That is, listening for numbers. I'm sure you can count 1 to 10 perfectly, but how about the numbers of more digits? Of course, you can count 1, 10, 100, million, or maybe even more. But if I ask you to describe a number where there is a different number in every digit, how would you say, how would you call the number? So how about days? It is the 29th of September today, and are you sure you can also name all the other days of a month? Therefore, I would like to show you some examples first, then we'll have exercise later. Now, I'm going to read 8 numbers aloud on this slide. So when I read the numbers, I hope you will bear the pronunciation in mind and try your best to remember how these numbers are spelled. Of course, you already have these numbers on the first page of your worksheet. Please listen to me now. Number 1, the 11th. Number 2, the 21st. Number 3, the 9th. Number 4, the 99th. Number 5, 900. Number 6, 50,000. Number 7, 810,542. Number 8, 2,560,000. Now I will read these 8 digits, these 8 figures again. Number 1, the 11th. Number 2, the 21st. Number 3, the 9th. Number 4, the 99th. Number 5, 900. Number 6, 50,000. Number 7, 810,542. Number 8, 2,560,000. So after listening to my reading aloud to get yourself familiar, let's move on to the first exercise. You are going to match the numbers according to the way I say them. Write A, B, C, D, E, F next to the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's start. Number 1. The 3rd of April. The 3rd of April. Number 2. 1968. 1968. Number 3. 1365. 1365. Number 4. 2 million. 2 million. Number 5. The 9th of September. The 9th of September. Number 6, the last one. 1 meter 14. 1 meter 14. So as you have heard, I have read these 6 numbers twice. If you would like to listen to my reading aloud once more, please rewind the video and just listen to the parts of my reading aloud as many times as you want. Next, write a number 1 to 10 to put these numbers in the order you hear. Ready?
0208 542 8976
14
1985
The 25th of June
1 meter 27
68
103
671
5325
8 million.
So I just played you the recording the first time. Now I'm going to play it the second time. Please listen carefully and make sure you do not leave any line empty.
0208 542 8976
14
1985
The 25th of June
1 meter 27
68
103
671
5325
8 million.
So that was it. You just listen to the recording twice in total. And next part, okay, you will be hearing some very, very similar numbers. So you have to be even more careful. Let's go. Do this exercise while you listen. Write the numbers in the correct group. That is, please write down the numbers you hear. You are going to choose the correct answers from these given 16 figures or numbers. Number 1, 1995. 1995. Number 2, 01-442-9977. 01-442-9977. Number 3, the 21st of June. The 21st of June. Number 4, 8,000. 8,000. Number 5, 1 meter 27. 1 meter 27. Number 6, 40. 40. Number 7, 103. 103. Number 8, 68. 68. So I finished reading aloud the numbers twice, and if you want, you may rewind the video and listen to my reading aloud again. Now let's move on to the bonus part. So in this bonus part, you should see some numbers that are very, very familiar to you, yet you may not know how to say them in English. And I will now very quickly read them to you just once. Just once. Number 1, a quarter. Number 2, a half. Number 3, 3/4. Number 4, a third. Number 5, 2/3. Number 6, 3x. Number 6, 1/32. Number 7, 100th. Number 9, 1200th. And the last one, number 10, 21,000th. Now, let's move on to the exercise on fractions. So in this part about fractions, I'm going to read aloud 4 fractions to you. And would you please listening to my reading aloud and fill in the blanks. Number 1. 3/4. 3/4. Number 2. 10/13. 10/13. Number 3. 27/43. 27/43. Number 4, the last one. 1/19. 1/19. So I understand this part should be quite new to both of you, and I thank you for trying your best just now. Okay, we are now moving on to the last part, that is decimals. So these are decimals in English. I will read them just once quickly, and just like what we did just now, okay, in the last slide, I will have you do 4 questions about decimals. So please listen to me carefully now. Number 1, 0.25. Number 2, 0.5. Number 3, 0.75. Number 4, 0.333. Number 5, 0.6405. Number 6, 1.5. Number 7, 8.56. Number 8, 12.15. Number 9, 17.806. Number 9, 384.63. Number 11, 40.004. Number 12, 117.87659. So now we'll move on to the last 4 questions. Please listen to my reading aloud of decimal numbers and fill in the blanks. Number 1, 0.29. 0.29. Number 2, 3.3. 3.3. Number 3, 12.51. 12.51. Number 4, 108.06. 108.06. So that's all for the exercises today, and here it comes the conclusion. Conclusion. Numbers are more important than we think they are. Calculators, computers, and smartphones are everywhere and so convenient that we rarely do calculations totally with paper and pencil. Your English knowledge about numbers matters the most when you do listening exercise, tests, and exams. It is also important when you are in a speaking exam as a senior student. And lastly, I hope this lesson is useful to you. Thank you all, as usual. Until next time.